So in this video, we will learn how to convert new OneDrive files with CloudConvert. Now suppose guys you are uploading different new files into your OneDrive account and you want to convert all of those files into a specific format. Now guys, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be uploading a new file on our OneDrive account. And the action will be converting those files format into a specific format using CloudConvert. And after that, after converting those files, we will automatically once again upload the newly converted file into a OneDrive account. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to a browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. And after signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And now we can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as OneDrive to CloudConvert. And then just click on create. Now we can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new file which are uploaded on our OneDrive account in Pabbly Connect. And after that, after getting those files in Pabbly Connect, using CloudConvert, we will be converting the format of those files. For example, if I'm uploading some kind of images, some PNG images, some JPG images in my OneDrive account, and I want to convert all of those image files, all of those things, each and every image into PDF format, and then again upload those PDF files into my OneDrive account. So that is the use case which we are going to use in this video. We'll get the file details using CloudConvert. We will convert those file format of our required format. For example, PDF in this video. And then again, we will be uploading those newly converted PDF files which we received from CloudConvert to OneDrive. So let's begin. So here in choose app, we will search for OneDrive first. OneDrive, select it, Microsoft OneDrive. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select new file. Click on connect and select add new connection. And here guys, we have to connect our Microsoft OneDrive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with OneDrive button. And then because guys, I have already logged into my OneDrive account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. And here it is asking us for the authorization permission. Just click on yes over here. And now we can see that our Microsoft OneDrive account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is set folder path. So here guys, we have to actually enter the path of the folder in which we are uploading file. So we have to enter a path of a folder that whenever a file will be uploaded in this folder, the details of that newly uploaded file should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So here in my OneDrive account, I have created a folder named as pictures. And I have created another subfolder in this folder named as new images. So I want whenever I upload a new image file in any format, for example, any PDF format, PNG format, JPG format or JPG format, if I upload any image in this folder, the details of that file should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using this automation, the PDF, that image file should be converted into PDF, and then that PDF file should be uploaded in another folder of my OneDrive account. So we have to basically enter the path of this folder, that is new image, where we are uploading the files. So here the help text below it says log into OneDrive account, click on the folders and the subfolder to get the path of nested folder. So basically here you can see this is the path. And then this says the example over in the help text says my files documents images animal. To track new files inside this animals folder, animal subfolder, we have to basically replace this arrow signs, this greater than signs with slash. So what it will be like this. So we don't have to take actually my files over here. It is common for all the accounts. So we will be entering pictures, and then instead of this greater than sign, we will be using slash and then new images. So let's enter over here pictures and then new images slash new images. So in this way, you have to basically enter the folder of the path of your folder where you are uploading file. After entering the path, it is asking us event type. So here in the drop down below, we have only one event type, that is new file created. Just select it, and after this, when we will click on save and send test request, the details or the data of the most recent, the latest file which we have been uploaded in this folder will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So before we click on save and send test request, let's upload a file over here. Just click on upload file, and I have this image file, this PNG file over here, and I will be uploading this image in my new OneDrive account in this folder. So this image has been uploaded. Let's open it, and this is the image which we have just now uploaded in our OneDrive account. And after uploading this image, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect, and now we will click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here we have received some response. And in this response, guys, you can see that we have the name of the file which we have just now few seconds ago uploaded in this video, as you can see. The resource document 1 PNG. So this is the same file. Then we will scroll down and we will see some other details regarding this files as well. So we have the image type, and then we will scroll down and then we will find the link of this file as well. So we have the path of this file, and then we will also see the link of the file. So let's search for yes, this is the download URL, the first response of the download URL. Just copy this URL from here, go to a new tab, paste it, and you will see this image is now downloaded. So in this way, guys, you can see that we have received the details of the new file uploaded in our OneDrive account in Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do, we have to convert this file into PDF or some other file format of our choice. And then to do so, we will be using CloudConvert. So for that, we will scroll down and come to our action window. And here in choose app, we will search for CloudConvert. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, select convert a file. Click on connect and select add new connection. And here, guys, we have to connect our CloudConvert account with Pabbly Connect. So in my browser, I have already logged into my CloudConvert account. Just click on this connect with CloudConvert, and we will see that Pabbly Connect will automatically detect this account and make the connection. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the file URL. That what is the URL of the file which we are willing to, whose format which we are willing to change. So we have received the newly uploaded file URL from OneDrive and Pabbly Connect. This is the URL. And now we have to map this same URL over here in this file URL field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Microsoft OneDrive of a newly uploaded file can be seen over here. And out of all of these responses, select the response of this download URL of the newly uploaded file, and it will be mapped over here. After this, it is asking us for the input format, that in which format this image file, this file which we are, whose URL we have added over here to whom we want to convert, is present right now. So here in the response which we have received from OneDrive of newly uploaded file, we have also received the name of the file. And in this name, we have the extension, the format of the file in which the file was uploaded. We have that format in the extension, like we have the name of the file, and after dot, we have this extension. So from this name, we will be basically splitting the name of the file and the extension, and we will get the extension. And after that, we will map that extension over here. Now, how we can split this? How we can split the name of the file and split it into two parts, as we have a response of the name of the file and the extension. To do so, we will be using a feature of Pabbly Connect, and that is the text formatter. How we are going to add it? Just click on this add action step button over here before the CloudConvert step. Just click on it. And after that, in choose app, here we just have to search for text formatter. Select text formatter. Then in action event from the drop down, select split text. This is our action event. Click on connect. Then after that, it is asking us text to split, that what is the text we want to split. So this is the text of the file name which we want to split it into two parts. So we will be basically mapping this response of file name over here. And as you all saw, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below, we can see responses from OneDrive. And out of all of these responses, select the response of file name and it will be mapped. Then it is asking us for the separator. So the dot, the full stop will be the separator because we want to split the text before and after this. And then in segment index, we will be selecting from the drop down all and click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here we have received the response. And in response, we can see the name of the file and the file format, the extension of the file are now separated in two different formats. So from this response, we will be mapping the format of the file over here in this input format field. And then this same step is also asking us for the file name. So we will be mapping the name of the file name over here in this field. So guys, just map it. So we will scroll down and we will just have to turn on this mapping button in front of this input format option. Just turn it on and just clear this default response. And in the drop down, we can see we can't see any responses over here as of now. This is because we have added a new step, a new data before it. So just click on this connected button and select existing connection, click on the select existing connection and click on save. So we have to reconnect our CloudConvert account in this step. And after reconnecting it, just click on this, turn on this mapping button on once again, clear this input format. And after that, from the drop down below, from the responses of text formatter, select this response of the file extension which we have separated. Just select it and it is mapped. After mapping it, it is asking us for the output format. And in the drop down below, we have a list of several different formats over here. So this file can be converted in all of these formats. So out of all of this, we want to convert this file into PDF. So we will be selecting PDF over here. And after selecting your choice of output format, it is asking us file name, that what will be the name of the new file. So we have also received the file name, the original file name after using the text formatter. We have separated it. So we have to basically map this response of file name over here. Just click on this field and from the drop down below, from the responses of text formatter, select and map the response of file name. But the help text below it says provide the file name including extension for the output file. So in whatever format we are converting this file, we have to basically add this file format as an extension. So in this video, we are converting this file into PDF. So I'll be adding .pdf after this file name. And after entering it, just click on this save and send test request button. Now after clicking on save and send test request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And in this response, we can see the details of the file which we have converted just now. So basically the URL, the file URL, the file whose URL we have mapped over here was present in this PNG format, and using CloudConvert, we have basically converted this file in this PDF format, and this is the name of the file. But here in response, we can see the file has been converted, but we can't see the details of the file, like the name of the file, the URL, the PDF file URL, the converted file URL over here, and other details. But guys, here in this response, we have received the response of this job ID and we have the job ID of this file's conversion. So what we have to do, we have to basically extract or retrieve the details of this converted file, like the file name, the file URL and other details using this job ID. And how we can do that? For that, we will just scroll down and click on this add action step button over here. And then in choose app, we have to search for CloudConvert once again. CloudConvert, just select it, and then in action event from the drop down, select get job details. This as actions event, and then click on connect. And because we have connected our CloudConvert account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we will keep it on select existing connection and just click on save. Then after connecting it once again, it is asking us what is the job ID, that for what job ID we want to retrieve the details. So we have received the job ID in our previous step of CloudConvert after converting the file. So this is the job ID and we will be mapping this same job ID over here in this field. Just click here and from the drop down below, from the responses of CloudConvert, convert a file, from the drop down select and map the job ID. And after mapping the job ID, just click on save and send test request. Now after clicking on save and send test request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And in this response, we will see the details of the files. Like we can see the name of the converted file resource document file.pdf, the same name which we have given over here in this file name section in the previous step. Then after that, when we will scroll down, we will see the result URL of the file. So this is the URL of the file which we have converted, the converted files URL. Just copy it, paste it in a new tab, and you can see the PDF file is been downloaded in our system using the same URL. Now this means guys, we have received the details of a new file uploaded on our OneDrive account, and using CloudConvert in our automation workflow, we have automatically converted that files format of our preferred choice. Now what we want to do, we want to upload this same file, this converted file into a different folder on our OneDrive account. So here in my OneDrive account, I have created this folder named as image PDFs. So in this folder, I wanted to upload all the images which I have converted into PDF over here. So for that, to upload these files, I will just scroll down and click on this Add Actions tab button over here. And guys, in this video, I'm uploading back to OneDrive, but if you want, you can basically upload this file to some other application. You can send this new file, converted file data to some other application as well in this same automation workflow. And here in Choose App, we will search for OneDrive. Select Microsoft OneDrive. And then in Action Event from the drop down, we will select for Upload File. Click on Connect. And guys, because we have connected our OneDrive account in this video in the previous step, we don't have to make the connection once again. Just click on the Select Existing Connection and click on Save. Now we can see that the OneDrive account is connected once again in this step, and then here it is asking us folder list. So basically from the drop down below, we can see a list of all the folders which we have created in our OneDrive account can be seen over here. So we have to select the folder in which we want to upload these files. So we want to upload these files into image PDFs in this particular folder. So I will search for this folder, image PDFs. Just select it, and then it is asking us for the file name, that the file which we are uploading right now, what will be the name of this file. So here up in the step of CloudConvert get job details, we have received the URL of the file and also the name of the file. So we will be mapping the name of the file from here over here in this file name. Just click on this field, and from the drop down below, from the responses which you have received from CloudConvert get job details, select the response of file name and map it. And after that, it is asking us for the file URL. So here in the drop down, just click here, and as you all can guess, from this get job details step, we have to map the URL of the file. So in this way, we have mapped it. So here in file, from the drop down, just select default, let it be on default, and click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here we have received some response. So let's ignore the response, and we will see on our OneDrive account that the folder which we have selected over here, whether this file is been uploaded on this folder or not. Let's go to OneDrive. Let's refresh it once. And yes guys, we can see that the same file which we have just now uploaded as an image format, as a PNG file in our OneDrive account, the same file is now uploaded in this folder as a PDF. So it is the same image file, but this time the file format is PDF over here. This means the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now every time a new file will be uploaded in our OneDrive account, no matter what file format that file will be, using this automation, we will automatically convert that file into PDF format, and then again we will upload that newly converted PDF file into a OneDrive account in a different folder. So basically, if you want, you can choose, instead of PDF, you can basically choose any file format of your choice. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.